Hi everybody, and welcome to Exhibit A very broken set of binoculars which okay for demonstration purposes, and we're going to talk about how not to clean binocular lenses. And I say binoculars, it could be monoculars, telescope eyepieces, spectacles, smartphone screens, the list goes on and on, but you get what I mean. If it's glass and you look through it. And so the customer that had bought a set of binoculars off me and a cleaning kit got in touch with me again, and he says, I'm going to have to return them, I'm afraid, that these binoculars are faulty, all the lens coatings have come off. And what he'd done is he'd tried to clean the lenses with the lens cleaning fluid. And what you're seeing, and going by the image that he sent me, which looked like a kaleidoscope of different colours on the lens, so a combination of that and his description pretty much told me what had happened, and he then saw the error of his ways. When it comes to cleaning lenses, it's be very sparse with the lens cleaning fluid, don't go at it gun-ho. And so what he did, when he described, he must have really gone to town spraying way too much on the binocular lenses like you're seeing in the image now, and he probably cleaned his carpet and walls at the same time while doing it, and then he tried to rub it all off and he was left with this very colourful lens. And I explained to him that wasn't the lens coatings coming off, it simply put way too much on, and eventually he did get it off and he got back in touch with me, and yeah, thanks for explaining that, and all was well. And so when it comes to cleaning them properly, I'm no expert, I admit, but this is how I do it. And so first of all, in particular, if you go to somewhere that's quite dusty, like you might have a weekend trip to Mars, plenty of dust there, you don't want to be rubbing that with a cloth. And so first of all, you need one of these, and or similar. I like to get the ones without the bristles on, by the way, because if you get a little bit of grease on them, even off your fingers or off the optics, and then you're re-coating it on the lenses, so I prefer the ones without the bristle myself. And so first of all, clear all that Martian dust off your lenses first, because you don't want to scratch it. And then rather than put the cleaning fluid straight onto the lens, and some cleaning kits do actually say that, but no, don't. Just put it on a couple of little squirts on the corner of your lens cleaning cloth and very lightly put it on. You don't have to rub hard, and then with a cleaner part of the cloth, then gently wipe it off until it's clear. And those of you who are very keen-eyed, and I'm sure you are, will notice that I am using quite an old cleaning cloth here, but this is all just for demonstration purposes. So yeah, when it comes to lens cleaning fluid, put it on the cloth first, not onto the lens, and sparingly, don't rub hard. Remember to clean the dust off with a blower first, and all will be well. But to be honest with you, you don't have to keep cleaning lenses, mainly unless you get a fingerprint on. The dust blower will do the job, and even minor marks, even a scratch, heaven forbid, will hardly show up. And so don't it doesn't have to be a daily job. So I hope that helps quickly demonstrate on how not to clean binoculars with lens cleaning fluid. So as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.